Learn how to move your Roth 401K to your Roth IRA in railroad retirement. Welcome everyone to another edition of the Highball Advisors Railroad Retirement Whiteboard. My name is John McNamara of Highball Advisors, and today I want to talk about a lot of railroaders are funding their 401ks, which are tax-deferred vehicles, but some are also doing Roth 401ks, right, which are tax-free vehicles. Right? You can put the money in after tax. Maybe your company will match it also, but it's after tax contribution into your Roth 401k. However, they might be leaving the railroad or might be leaving the railroad and taking another job elsewhere and are looking to either roll it over into a Roth IRA. So there's rules around that. So I thought I'd go through this video to show you how you can move your money, especially if you're getting your retirement from your Roth 401k to your Roth IRA. All right, so once again, the Roth 401k is that company plan. It's tax-free, where you can contribute into it tax-free. And you really want to do that if you say to yourself, I'm going to keep, I feel like I'm going to keep earning money, or I might have a lot of money. I don't think my tax rates are ever going to go down. And then you might also say to yourself, well, I think taxes are going to be going up in the future, the tax rate that is. So I'll fund my Roth 401k now. So that there's a reason behind that. So you could do that. And then the other is the Roth IRA. It has the same mechanism, but it's more on the individual side. All right. So the Roth 401k is on the company side. So what you have to determine is if it's qualified or non-qualified. So qualified means that you can roll it over and get immediate access to it. All right. So what makes it qualified? You have to meet two requirements. You have to have had the Roth 401k for 5 years. All right. Funded for 5 years. Right. You've been contributing to it. And then you also have to be over 59 and a half and over. So now if that means if it's qualified, then you can take immediate distribution when you roll over your Roth IRA, you can take immediate distribution of those funds that were transferred over. All right. So big difference between qualified and non-qualified. Now, the reason is to get qualified is to start that 5-year clock. All right. So either the Roth 401k or the Roth IRA must be open to access without penalty, right? It's that 5-year clock. So I always say to railroaders, maybe you don't have a Roth IRA right now. Just put some money in it, start that 5-year clock. I've done a couple of videos on that. Take a look at that. And then your Roth IRA earnings would need 5 years in there to withdraw tax-free. So that's very important. So I'll use this example here. So let's say a railroader has a Roth 401k. They've been saving, and they have $500,000 in their Roth 401k, and they're getting ready to retire. And they're like, well, I'd like to roll over a Roth IRA. I can have more investment options, right? That type of thing. So they'll roll over the $500,000, right? So they're going on through life. And let's say a year later, they've done well in the markets, and now they have $600,000, okay? So what happens though is now if they've had the Roth 401k for 5 years, that's fine. But the $600,000, right? The $500,000 they can access right away, but the other $100,000 they can't access for 5 years without penalty. You can always get the money, but there's always going to be that penalty on that of the $100,000 on the earnings. So that would be one of those non-qualified distributions, and there we would have a penalty. So you just have to be very careful when you're moving money from Roth 401k, Roth IRA, and taking those distributions. Watch the 5-year clock. Always make sure that that's done before you do any distributions inside a Roth 401k or IRA. All right, so I'll go through this process. Sign up for the Boarding for Railroad Retirement process. I go through a lot of these intricacies. You don't want to be hit with that late tax bill, so sign up for that Boarding for Railroad Retirement process. Feel free, if you have any questions, just put them in the comments and I'll answer them. And everyone, please stay safe, stay on track, and take care. So long, everybody. Bye.